Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am gonna be playing some jailbreak. You know, the best game in the world, in my opinion. I don't know why I can't glitch out of the cell. I got one safe, and I'm pretty broke right now. If you see that, I have $11,000. So we're gonna have to rob some things. Okay, is there any camping cups? You know those camping cups are so ugly. It's just the worst thing in the world. So I'm still finding a webcam that I'm gonna use. So face reveal in February. So yeah, hopefully you stay at home for that. Oh, is that a cop? Oh yes, we got a crib. Kinda. He's still a prisoner though. Ow. Someone just robbed the train. That guy jumped off from a helicopter and then he just landed in the car. Oh my god. So we're gonna try and get a high bounty in jailbreak. We're gonna rob as many things as we possibly can. So, yes. We're gonna rob everything. Except the bank, since I didn't even get a key card. There is only a couple cops in this game. Look at that. There is only 5 cops in this server. And 3 prisoners. So hopefully those 3 prisoners can escape. And yeah. This is the first video that I'm actually talking. Like the first video I was talking, like I uploaded earlier, were the reminder of the talking. But this is actually the first real video of talking. Now I don't have to use the chat. And then we're gonna be doing some Bloxburg videos as well. Find some gold diggers, you know. Wow, the garage is so full right now. I'm just gonna lock this. And we're gonna camp at the store like what we did yesterday. Did I even upload that video? Yo! I saw a cop. I literally saw. I didn't even get any weapons. I'm so stupid. Dude. Oh, I see the cop. I see the cop. I see the cop. Play the normal way. Why? Why is there tons of hackers in this game? Is it like more fun for them? Why am I not wearing any pants? Well, that's good. Where the freak did my car go? Oh, come on. I am all freaking telling me. Enter driver. V, come on. Oh. Oh. Yay. It worked. I just need to kill 1 cop, then I can get... This guy is saying that his brother's asthma. Like, that's the most stupidest thing I've ever heard in my whole entire life. Hey, cop! Come on! Oh my god, he's flying! I see him. I see you, mate. I see you, mate. Shotgun him. Come on, keycard. Yep, I saw keycard. Yes! You got the card. Hi, Zask. What a nice name. That's close to mine. Why am I still not wearing any pants? This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my whole... Ah! Why do I keep on... Is it a cop? No, this is... The bank is getting robbed. Up! I see the cop. I see the cop. But anyways, we're just gonna take a quick shortcut. What? Another Lambo just spawned. Get your stories. Oh, that guy's the no clipper. Hey my gosh, these people are so stupid. Look, like me, I don't even have any no clip. Look, I'm walking through the wall. Even this wall. But for some weird reason, there is a glitch where if you walk like right here, you will get, hold on, transported here. Look. Oh my god. There's a cop. Hi cop. Sup clan. Oh my god. Yes, okay. Yes, get the gun. Get the I'm so done. I'm so done with these hackers. Is this even open? My goal is to try just rob everything. I think we're just gonna I just think we're just gonna leave our Lamborghini there. And is the bank open? The bank is not open, so I'm gonna find something that is open. Q. Oh, the Tron is right there. Is it open? Lambo! 7 minutes in the video and then it's getting robbed. Okay, I'm so dumb. I'm gonna get back to my heli. So that means the bone cost will be open on sun. Or is it already open? Yeah, I thought it was open. Space to close parachute. Look, this guy robbed it in 2 seconds. 2 seconds, that's the fastest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Everybody knows that the next update is police dogs. It's the most update time! Hello? Hello, are you there? Are you there? Oh, we got a compo cop! Yes! Yes. Gracias. Are you kidding me? Jake Paul! Woo! Oh, camper. Oh my god, I'm not hitting anything. I am hitting something, but I don't know if it's me or is it that guy. Yes! Thank you, sir, for killing that man. I'm just waiting for the bank to be open. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. Look at him. Up. Did you see that? Did you see that guy? Did you see him knock up through the door? Hey my gosh, this is just so rude. Hey, especially when they're cops. Okay, hopefully there is no... Did you just see that? There was literally an arm there. The police have entered the building. The police... There is no good cop, bad cop here. Come on, be a DS. DF. Yo! Come on, bruh. Charge, like literally. Charge him. Yes! This is good. Ultimate escape. Yes, finally, we're not broke anymore. $12,000 isn't that bad, you know, you can buy a pickup truck with it. So, yeah. That is it for the video. And yeah, oh wait, that's not it for the video. I thought it was open. But anyways, that is really it for the video. I were no plan. Oh my god! Okay, we're gonna end the video with the arrest. Okay, yes, so, anyways guys, peace.